Meaning of heater.
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 Heater. A heater is a device used for heating a space or object. It works by converting electrical energy into heat, which is then transferred to the surrounding environment via convection, radiation, or conduction. Heaters are commonly used in homes, offices, and industrial settings to provide warmth and comfort during cold weather conditions. They come in various types, including portable heaters, wall-mounted heaters, and central heating systems. Some common fuel sources for heaters include electricity, natural gas, propane, and oil. Overall, heaters play an important role in regulating temperature and improving indoor comfort levels.